Well, guys, I'm sorry I didn't find her, Felicia, because she's deep in a box. Deep. Want a scissors?
I have them.
Oh. Nice. I hate when I'm looking for something and she doesn't bring them back.
Do you need them?
Yeah.
Just give them right back after you are done, okay?
Okay. And then can you please try to look for my Felicia?
Yeah.
Guys, I got this skirt out. Look. It's so pretty. Guys, comment if you like that. What is this? I think it's like a shop that this side has, even this side doesn't. Well, that's pretty. Yeah.
Vacations.
Look, guys. So, guys, I'm going to go give the scissors to my sister. I'll be back.
Here you go. I'm gonna try to make a squishy but oof, I hate when that happens.
Like what?
When she needs to go boo boo.
No, but like what?
Oh, a squishy, a gloomy squishy but.
Oh, you need to stick us.
Huh?
You need tape.
No, I have tape, but I can't just find the video how to make it. Yeah.
Wow. Hey, Nicki Minaj. So guys, all of this is Fiona's clothes, and all of this is her clothes. And guys, all of the backs come with a second outfit and with a hairbrush. So this is her clothes. Yeah. And for part 1 of my doubles. Yeah, bye.